Good morning, class 3. How are you all? I hope you all are fine today. So, as I am your new teacher, Mrs. Richa Gera, your previous teacher is not well. So, I will be continuing your classes from today onwards. So, open your EVS book, Our Green World. Take out these books and open this book. And as I know that you have completed your chapter 1, so should we have a quick recap of this chapter? Okay, so what you have done in this chapter? You have done your organs. What are your organs? Our body is made up of many parts. These are known to as be our organs. The head and our sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5 sense organs. Eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose help us to smell, tongue help us to taste, skin help us to touch, feel. What's outside the world? Chilly. With what are the weather is? What is our atmosphere is about to? We have to take care of our sense organs, and we don't use any sharp or a pointed thing into our nose or into our ears, so it can harm our ears and nose. And what are limbs? Our arms are our upper limbs and our legs are our lower limbs. What are internal organs? The organs that are present inside our body are called our internal organs, like our brain, heart, lungs, and kidneys are called internal organs. And the brain is located inside our head. Where the brain is located? Inside our head. What it does? It controls our full body actions. Lungs help us to breathe. Lungs help us to breathe. And the heart help us to pump the blood to all the body. If the heart circulates the blood to all the body, then only we can survive. So we have I know that you have done this your activity part, activity portion 1, activity 2, activity 3, 4. Have you all done all this? Have you done all this? I think so. You don't have done the activity 4 and activity 3. So what they are saying, take the odd one out. What is this? Odd one out. Head, hair, brain, limbs. So what you have to put out? The odd one. Which is odd? Tell me. The limbs are odd because head, hair, brain is present in one head only. Then brain, lungs, heart and hand. Brain is internal organ, lung is internal organ, no, heart is an internal organ and hand is a external organ. Ears, eyes, nose, limbs. Ear, eyes and nose are sense organs and limbs is not a sense organ. Then our skull, forehead, stomach, mouth. What is it? Stomach. Have you completed till here, students? So that I will move forward. We will have to also complete the question answers in our notebooks, no? So shall I move to this match the following? Eyes. Eyes help sense of sight. Ears, sense of hearing. Nose, sense of smell. Tongue, sense of taste. And last is skin. Skin is sense of touch. See it here. Are you doing, students? Complete it fast, baby. I have to complete the question answers in your notebooks. Okay, now I open your EVS notebooks. Fast beta, open your EVS notebooks, so that we will also have to complete the question answers today in our notebooks. Now take out your body. Take out your notebooks. Write down date. What's the date today? Today is 3rd May 2021. So what we are doing? We are doing unit 1. Unit 1st. My body and me. What is it? Our body. Write, all of you. Write in a neat and a clean handwriting. Underline it with a scale and using a sketch pen. Likewise, what I am doing, you have also to write in that pattern only, with neat and a clean handwriting. Okay? Have you all copied all this? In a neat and a clean handwriting, use sharpened pencil. You have to send me all these work now. So, write it neatly. So, I am starting it. Do it with me only. Question. Answer the questions. Question number 1. What are external organs? What are external organs? Question mark. Answer. Body, organ, which can be seen is called external organ. Full stop. What are external organs? Body organ which can be seen is called external organ. Write it fast so that I can move it to next one. Okay. Have you written, all of you? Now, name any 3 internal organ. Name any 3 internal organs. Written all of you? Shall I move it to the next page? Write in a neat and a clean handwriting. Okay, now I am moving it to the next page. Answer. Heart, lungs, and kidneys. Complete all of you? Completed? Shall I move to next question? Question number 3. Name the sense organs. Name the sense organs. Completed all of you? Shall I move to the third answer? Write it with me only. What are those? What are our sense organs? Tell me. Yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Okay, write it in neat and a clean handwriting, all of you. Use sharpened pencil. If your pencil is writing not writing in a sharpened way, so sharp again, so that your work should be presentable. Okay, shall I move to next one? Completed all of you? So, fourth question. What covers our body? Answer. Which body part protects our body? Which part protects our body? Which help us to protect our body from weather changing, whether it's hot outside, whether it's warm, whether it's cold, whether the thing is hard, whether the thing is soft. With the help of our skin. Written all of you? Written this much? This much? I have completed till question number 4. All of you write it with me only. Write it fast in a neat and clean handwriting. Use sharpened pencils. Okay. So, I am moving to question number 5. What is question number 5? What are our hands and legs together called? What are our legs and legs and hands together called? You have already read it earlier, and today also I had explained you. We have a quick recap of that chapter now. So these are called our limbs. So complete it till here also only in your notebooks with a neat and clean handwriting, and send it to me only, so that I can check and convey it to you whether it's not in a good handwriting or it is not good in handwriting. So I am ending up my class with today only. So we will be continuing these question answers in our next classes. So goodbye class, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.